Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Coding. Today I'll try to show you friends how we can actually hide the applications in the Mi11X device. As you can see friends, so right now I'm using the Mi11X smartphone. So let's see friends how you can actually hide the applications in this particular phone, so which was requested by a few of the users as well who are using this kind of Mi11X smartphone. And make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more details on this Mi11X device as well, in case if you're having any other queries regarding the MIUI 12.5 latest version in this phone. So make sure to check the links in description for that playlist. So let's get started friends, how you can actually hide the applications in this Mi11X smartphone. So right now friends, I'm using the Poco launcher, and once you use the Poco launcher and you download that, so you just need to go to the app drawer and swipe 2 times, as you can see friends. So once you swipe that, so you do get this kind of option which is called the hide app icons, as you can see friends. So in this way you will be able to hide the applications from the home screen. So set the password. So first you need to set the password. So let me try to start using the fingerprint scanner, and fingerprint scanner is set, and let me try to enter the pattern as well. So once the pattern has been set, so as you can see, so right now I can straight away add the applications in this icons friends. So all those icons whatever you added in this list will be hidden from the home screen. So this is how no one will be able to get to know what applications are there in this particular phone. So in this way you'll be able to hide the applications in this Mi11X device. So in case if you're using the default launcher, you won't get that kind of permission friends to select the hide applications. So try to use the Poco launcher to get this kind of feature which is present in this particular launcher, so which is also very smooth and very good for with the Mi phones particularly. So there is not much difference with the launcher default and the Poco launcher as well. So right now let me try to demonstrate you friends. Once you go there, and let me try to click the fingerprint scanner. So once the fingerprint has been detected, so let me try to add apps. So let me try to select a few of the application which is called for example camera. So I'm trying to select the camera as well. So one is a gold camera and one is a normal default stock camera. So let me try to right now search for the camera application right now, as you can see friends. So whenever I search for the camera application, you won't get those kind of applications listed here whenever you do that kind of searching as well. So in this way friends, you will be able to hide the applications in your smartphone. So there is another feature which is called the app lock, but there is a different procedure for that app lock as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So I'll be doing a video on that particular topic as well, regarding the how to lock the applications as well, in case if you're having any kind of doubts. So I'll make it that video as well friends as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video. So this is how you can actually hide the applications in this Mi11X device using this kind of small tricks just by double swap, as you can see here. So try to use the Poco launcher during this time of testing, so that will be a very much easy to lock the applications in this phone in the Mi11X device, in case the default launcher doesn't work. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.